Hi, this is Mr. Hammer again. I'm going to show you now the next step to, once you've got your line drawn, you are going to transfer that onto the Styrofoam. So you're going to get a piece of Styrofoam, and on one side of it, very large, you'll write your name and make your class very, very big, whatever class you're in. I know you're not grade 8, but make it nice and large, press into it. Don't press crazy hard, just enough so we can see it. You might want to do it in pen because that might show up better. Then on the flip side, you will then tape with a couple, and I have a couple pieces of tape here, probably just on one side you would tape just like that and flip it over so that you can, and you're doing it this way so that you can flip the paper up and down and keep it in the same location. You know what, a third piece might be good to make sure it doesn't move. You really don't want this to move. So you're going to be able to have it like this, and then flip and take a look and flip it back down, and when you flip it back down it'll be in the same location. Now you're going to transfer the design, and simply in 2 steps you're going to press. Pens are better than pencil, but you're going to basically press into all these lines with a little bit of pressure. Try not to rip the paper like crazy, and you're going to go around pressing the lines just like I'm doing. And you might not get every single line, that's fine. Like I don't have to get all of these little tiny lines here. But the major lines, and it's that simple. Go around, I'm not going to finish it all now. And when you lift the paper, you'll see that quite a little bit light, you can see that there. Now these aren't going to work for printing because they're not deep enough. So the ink will get in there, and when we print, the whole page is going to show up. So now once you've done your design, you can go back into it after you've done the whole design and make those lines that you drew thicker and bigger like this. So I'm going in carefully now, and the lines don't have to be in the perfect position. You can change locations of things as you go. This is your drawing. And you can add like the shading marks there, but basically you transfer the drawing nice and thick, and if you want some areas even wider, like you could use the back of the pen, and that's going to make a really, really wide line. And that's basically it. I'll give you some more details about that later, but that's it. You print out, you tape on one side only so you can lift it, you press with a pen or pencil, and then retrace those exact lines again onto the Styrofoam, and then you're done.